Temu has been sending me a bunch of ads for the past 4 months, where they weren't annoying but they're everywhere, and it's gotten to a point where they can no longer be ignored. So guess what? Yeah, I got something from Temu, and as a science enthusiast, I shopped for something very specific. I got a car that claims to be solar powered. All you have to do is get the right parts at the right places, and you have this as your end result. So this is what the manual looks like, and there are instructions, first, second to the 7th, on how to fix it. If I do everything correctly, I'll be getting this as my end result. Here's everything inside the package, I think. So inside they have a DC motor, solar panel, and the kit. You have tires, body, and this little thing here, and we also have 2 double side mounted tips. Yeah, so that's all of it. Right, so I'll give you a little montage and show you when it's done. Still have some few parts here, but you're not supposed to be in the build, and this is what it looks like. Right, so I'm taking it outside to see if it's actually going to work, and yeah, it's moving. But it also work on the floor. So with the sun present, it's actually working. You can see it's moving, but if there's a shade, then it slows down. I'm rating this product 18 out of 10 because it does work as described, and I'm also going to be leaving a link in case you want to get yours. If you stay to this end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. These are also some of my other videos.